What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. We just hit our first two take profits on Ethereum. We hit our first take profit on Bitcoin as well. Sitting at 56 cents, up 1.59 on the day. Seeing market cap 5.25 billion, 24 volume, 357 million. So I'm looking at a micro 3 and pulling back right now on a wave 4. So here's your pullback zone. We broke the bullish confirmation. We're already in a Matic trade. Signal was given in the Discord. And this is our pullback zone, usually in between the 23.6 and the 38.2. Max retracement is the 50%. So I'm looking for a wave 4 and then push up in a wave 5. We pop over to our daily chart. That beautiful bullish divergence is playing out. We're back above the 55. We're currently consolidating right at the 55 EMA. We're back above the 20 EMA. So if we can consolidate here, what we're going to see is the bullish cross of those daily EMAs, and that could lead to an explosive breakout. That's what I think is likely for Matic, is we will see continuation to the upside. Let's take a look at the money flow, see if we had a nice divergence. Yeah, see, huge. I was talking about that too. We were coming down. There's so much money flowing back into Matic, and now we're starting that breakout. So we've already hit TP1 and TP2 on Ethereum. Signals were given in the Discord. It's $10 a month. We have other trades upcoming. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon, top link in the comments. And for ETH, what I'm looking at here is a wave 3, 5-wave move into a 3, pull back into 4, similar to Matic, and then see continuation up in a wave 5. And that will complete the first impulse to the upside, because what we're looking at here, yeah, here we go. Wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. That will complete a large wave 1. And then you're going to pull back in a wave 2, which will give us another entry opportunity to ride it up in a big juicy wave 3. It's looking good in my opinion. We broke that down sloping trend line. And yeah, we already locked in some gains, hitting our first 2 take profits with our trade here. As you can see, we're back above the EMAs, the 20 EMA, the 55 EMA. So once we see the bullish cross, that's another strong signal. We will see continuation to the upside. I'll give you an example. Bullish cross right here. Massive pump to the upside. So we still have TP3 and TP4. If we do pull back, even though we're in this trade, I give another signal for a potential entry for the next trade. In the Discord, sign up to the Patreon. If you look at this chart here, you can see we're bouncing beautifully off the support of the ascending triangle, back above those daily EMAs. So I think continuation to the upside is likely. We'll have to see how everything plays out. If you want access to my signals, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. For all my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange to trade futures, sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when you deposit into your futures account. If you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, you get $200, completely free money to trade with. And my signals are $10 a month. You get daily crypto analysis, crypto trades. We're currently in trades for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Matic. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals analysis. We have upcoming Forex trades as well. So we are trading all the time, crypto and Forex. The same price as a Subway with a drink, and you'll get more value out of the Discord, in my opinion. Over 2,000 members. Basic access is free. All links are in the comments. Please do check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.